I make at least $1,000 a week from my YouTube shorts, and today I'm going to break down my exact process. We're going to make short videos that give fun summaries of historical movie plots. Everyone loves quick and entertaining content, especially when it looks awesome and has cool visuals. That's what we'll be creating. The best part is that you don't have to be a history whiz, a pro editor, or even super creative. I'll guide you through each step, from picking a movie to writing a script, creating visuals, and editing the final video. By the end, you'll be ready to do this on your own and even start making some money. Let's get started. Step 1. Look for good movies. So, what kind of movies should you focus on? You can pick any entertaining niche, but we'll go with historical movies for this tutorial. Think about war films, pirate adventures, or stories about ancient battles. You can choose a specific area like war movies or keep it broad with general history. This type of content is super popular because people enjoy tales of amazing events from the past. These films usually have exciting plots, clear storylines, and lots of visual appeal, making them great for short videos. You don't have to spend hours searching through Netflix to find movies to use. Just go to Google and search for something simple like Best War Movies Ever or Top Historical Films. You'll find tons of lists with well-known titles that people would love to see told in a quick and engaging way. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the movie The Pianist. Step 2. Write a script. AI tools can really simplify things for you. Just open ChatGPT and type something like, "Are you familiar with the movie The Pianist?" Most likely, ChatGPT will be. If it does, you can ask, "Could you give me a 60-second summary of the plot? Please include important and emotional moments." Use simple and clear language so that kids can easily understand the story. ChatGPT will then create a brief and easy-to-follow version of the story for you. When ChatGPT provides you with the script, go ahead and read it carefully to see if it sounds natural, like something a person would actually say. AI can sometimes come off as too stiff or formal, so feel free to adjust it to make it sound more friendly and lively. Think of it like you're sharing a story with a friend. Keep it brief, clear, and engaging. Step 3. Create images. Now it's time for footage, and we'll be using Leonardo AI for this. This amazing tool allows you to create awesome images just by typing in what you want. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to explain scenes from your script. For instance, you could say, "Can you give me 20 different image generation prompts that I can use to create a video summary of The Pianist? Cover as many scenes as possible." When you have some prompts ready, go to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account, sign up or log in. Next, click on Image Creation. Start by selecting the Cinematic Kino preset to make your images look like they're from a movie. Change the format to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. After that, pick the Leonardo Kino XL style for the best picture quality. Paste your prompt into the box, click Generate, and watch Leonardo AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have an image that looks like it's from a Hollywood film. Make sure to download 1 or 2 images for each important scene in your script. These will help you build your video. Step 4. Animate your images. To turn your still images into moving videos, we'll be using Runway ML. Runway ML is an incredible AI tool that can turn your still pictures into fun, short videos. It's a great way to add some action to your visuals without having to shoot any video yourself. Just head over to Runway ML, upload the images you made with Leonardo AI, and set the time for each image to around 3 seconds. The default setting is 5 seconds, but keeping it shorter makes for a more exciting video. Hit Run and watch as the tool brings your images to life. Once it's finished, you'll have video clips that are perfect for what we're creating. Step 5. Generate a voiceover. 11 Labs is my go-to for this. You can make super realistic voiceovers with this AI tool that sounds just like a real person reading your script. First, log in and click on Text-to-Speech. After that, copy your script and paste it in. Then, pick a voice that fits the mood of your video. You can choose something intense or dramatic based on the vibe you want. I like to go for something a bit dramatic, intense, and emotional. Once you've picked a voice, hit Generate, and 11 Labs will produce a professional-sounding voiceover for you. Finally, download the audio file, and you'll be one step closer to finishing your video. Step 6. Find and download background music. Music can really make or break your video. If you pick the right background music, it creates the atmosphere and keeps everyone engaged. Check out Pixabay, a website where you can find free, royalty-free music. To find music that fits the historical theme of your video, go to the search bar and type in phrases like epic music or dramatic score. Check out a few tracks, choose the one you enjoy the most, and then download it. Step 7. Edit your short. For this step, we're using CapCut, a free video editing tool that's super beginner-friendly. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Next, upload your voiceover file and place it on the timeline. After that, upload the video clips you created in Runway ML. Make sure to arrange the clips in the right order to fit the story and match them with the voiceover. If any clip is too long, just trim it so it fits nicely with the narration. Then, add the background music onto the timeline. Make sure to turn down the volume so it doesn't drown out the voiceover. It should just help set the mood. CapCut also allows you to include transitions between your clips. I suggest using a simple one, like zoom in and zoom out, which makes your video look nice without taking attention away from the story. To make your video look even more cinematic, try adding a vignette effect and adjust the intensity to about 50%. This will darken the edges of the video and give it a more focused and professional appearance. To make your video even more exciting, try adding sound effects that go along with the visuals. For example, in a battlefield scene, you could include sounds like explosions, marching feet, or faraway gunshots. CapCut allows you to easily add these effects and position them just right. After you've made sure everything looks and sounds awesome, it's time to export your video. Remember to export it in high resolution, at least 1080 pixels, so it looks clear and sharp when you upload it to YouTube. Step 8. Use an all-in-one tool to make your shorts. Optional. I came across a platform called InVideo recently that I've been using to make shorts all in one go. This might be a better option for you if you don't have much time and if you're happy with paying an affordable monthly subscription. To get started, sign up for InVideo, log in, and then click on Workflows. Look for the YouTube Shorts workflow and open that up. Here, you can type in your topic or enter your script. We can enter the script that we wrote in Step 2. For the background music, I can say, emotional. I'll set the language as English. I'll pick one-word subtitles. For the voice actor, I can pick a male, clear American voice as the narrator. Then, I'll say use only stock media for the sake of this tutorial, but I recommend using AI-generated media or clips for the best unique and original footage. The only thing is that you'll need a paid plan for this, which is worth it. Then, I'll set it as use story blocks as needed. And finally, for music preference, I'll pick use YouTube audio library only so that the video doesn't run into any copyright issues with music. Now, I can just click on Continue. InVideo AI will come up with a title and analyze my instructions. They'll ask a few questions, such as about the audience, and I can go ahead and fill these out before continuing. Now InVideo AI will get to work. I can tick the Notify When Ready box while the AI puts the video together. InVideo AI will write a script, generate a voiceover from the script, and add visuals, background music, and subtitles as I've requested. Here's the final product. As you can see, this is seriously impressive. But if the AI doesn't get your video quite right, you can tweak it. You're not locked into what the AI gives you. You can swap out a clip, adjust the pacing, or even change the story. All you have to do is give a prompt with the changes that you want in this box where it says, "Give me a command to edit." I can type in something like, "Make the voiceover slower and more dramatic," and hit Generate. The AI editor will work on changing the voiceover as I asked, and then I can watch the video again to see if the change has been made. And it has. You can also click on Edit and make changes manually if there's something specific you want to change. If you click on Media, you'll be able to change the specific images. You can click on Music to change the audio, and you can click on Script to change what's being said or to add punctuation to create pauses where you want them. If you click on Settings, you'll be able to control more specific features like the overlay, transition, subtitle, and text presets, as well as the volumes. Under Characters, you can add more voices if you want dialogue, which is a very handy feature. This tool is super intuitive, even if you've never used editing software before. And it's fast. I'm talking minutes, not hours. That's really important, especially if you're like me and tend to procrastinate until the last minute. It's up to you if you want to use an all-in-one tool like InVideo, or if you prefer to use separate AI tools for each part of the process. Personally, I use a mix. When I'm in a rush or when I want to experiment with new ideas, I use InVideo because it's incredibly fast and convenient. But when I have the time, I do the process manually because I enjoy it. Step 9. Upload and monetize your video. When you upload your YouTube short, remember to make the title and description catchy by including important keywords, like the name of the movie and history short. This will help people find your video more easily. Once your videos start getting views, you can start making money through YouTube's partner program. To join this, you need to get 10 million views on your shorts in 90 days. Then, you can apply to get your channel monetized. I know that sounds like a lot, but with the process I showed you, you can make tons of high-quality shorts and very easily hit those numbers. Another way to monetize your shorts is by doing affiliate marketing, which is when you promote products or courses relating to your niche. For example, Disney Plus has an affiliate program, so you can make videos on movies that are on Disney Plus and then get people to sign up to Disney Plus to watch the movies in the description. Each time someone signs up for a paid plan, you get paid a commission. You can do this from the beginning to get paid before your channel even gets monetized. Another option is to sell your own merchandise relating to your niche. If you're making videos on true crime historical movies, for example, you can sell t-shirts with famous quotes or images on them, like from Godfather. You can use a platform like TeePublic where you upload your images or quotes, and they'll put them on t-shirts for you. When somebody buys your t-shirt, TeePublic will print it out and ship it to your customers. You don't have to actually buy, print, stock, and ship t-shirts yourself because they'll do it for you in exchange for a small cut of each sale you make. This business model is called print on demand, and it works really well with YouTubeAutomation because you can get a lot of eyeballs on your products without the hassle of selling anything physically yourself. If you combine all of these monetization strategies, you're likely to make more money from your channel and much sooner. Let's recap what we went over today. Pick a historical film, use ChatGPT to help you write a script, design visuals with Leonardo AI, animate those visuals using Runway ML, add a voiceover with 11 Labs, search for background music on Pixabay, and combine everything in CapCut. Then, monetize your videos. If you follow these steps, you'll be set to create videos that can grab a lot of attention and make you a solid income. Do you watch YouTube Shorts? What do you think about creating them? Have you ever done it before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.